Hey, what's up my loves? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ravina. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again. So in today's video, I figured I didn't have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, so I was like, why not do one for my people, for my subscribers? So this is it. First things first, you want to grab a spoolie brush, and this is how a spoolie brush looks like. And if you do not have a makeup spoolie brush which looks like this, you can also use an old toothbrush if you have one, so that can work as well and can serve the same purpose with the spoolie brush. So we are going to take our spoolie brush first, and we are going to brush our eyebrows up like this. We brush our eyebrows up like this. So for this video, I'm going to be using the soap technique for the eyebrows. So I'm going to go in mix with my soap. This is the bar soap that I'm going to use. You can use any soap, any bar soap that you can find, but me, I'm using this white bar soap, but a clear bar soap or a colorless bar soap would work best for this, but I didn't have one, so I went on with this white bar soap. So I'm going to start by putting some water on the soap. So after I put my water on the soap, I'm going to go ahead with my spoolie and grab or make a foam out of that, if that makes sense. I'm going to make a foam out of that using my spoolie brush like that. And after I've got some product on it, I'm going to put away the soap. I'm going to start applying the soap that is on the spoolie and brush through my eyebrows again, brushing them upward like so. Doing the same on this side as well. So once I've brushed the eyebrows up like that, I'm going to wait until they dry a little. Anyway, so once that is a bit dry, like I said, I'm going to take the tip, the very end of the spoolie brush, the end of the spoolie brush, and I'm going to do like so. You press down the eyebrows like that. Using some little force, press them down. This helps the eyebrow hairs to stick down and not move. So you see what that is done. So we're going to go ahead and do this also. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead on the top of the brows and try to line them according to the desired shape that I want. And brush. I'm going to do the same on this side. After that, we're going to get our eye pencil, and for this sake I'm using this black opal brown eye pencil, and it is very sharp. So before using your eye pencil, you must make sure that it is very sharp like this. So to the lower part of the eyebrows, I'm going to draw a line following the exact shape of my eyebrows. I'm going to draw a line. And after I've drawn the bottom part, I'm going to go ahead and do the upper part as well. When it comes to lining the upper part of the eyebrow, you make sure that you avoid starting from where the exact eyebrows hairs start from. We're going to skip some space from the start of the eyebrow and start from somewhere like here and start drawing a line. What we have there, so we're going to go ahead and do this side as well. So once I've done lining the eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and fill in, and to fill in I use hair-like structures. I want to draw hair-like structures from the front like this. You want to go back with a spoolie and brush through to make it even more natural and soft. Go with a spoolie and brush through like that. I think I'm happy with the shape of the eyebrows now, so I'm going to go ahead and clean them up. And to clean the eyebrows, we use concealer, and for concealer or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. So you're going to use that and clean up the eyebrows. Make sure that you use a flat brush. Do not use a fluffy blending brush to clean up your eyebrows. It will be so messed up. So use a flat brush like that to dip in concealer and start cleaning up. And as you do this, please try to follow the shape of the eyebrows that you've drawn, because you don't want to mess it up. Follow the exact line. And then to blend that out, I'm going to use a fluffy brush like this to blend out the concealer. If you don't have a fluffy brush, you can as well use a sponge like this to blend out the concealer, but me, I prefer using a brush. So I'm going to start and blend this concealer out as you bring it downwards on your eyelids. So I'm done now blending out the concealer. And for beginners, when you're doing your eyebrows, I wouldn't advise to use concealer to clean up your upper part of the eyebrows. You can just leave it like that. I don't normally conceal my upper part because I feel like it gives me a more natural look for my eyebrows. So for beginners, I wouldn't advise you as well to go ahead and use a light concealer over or above your eyebrows, because it will not only give you a hard time to blend out, it will also not look very, very natural as you would like it. But if you must and you really want to conceal the upper part of the eyebrows, you have to go ahead at least and use your foundation shade. That way it will be easier for you to blend it out with the rest of the makeup. So yeah guys, this is the finished eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys loved and enjoyed this video, and I hope you picked something and learned something from it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share, subscribe if you have not yet already, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.